Are veneers permanent? Veneers are a long-term solution for improving the appearance of teeth, but whether they are truly permanent depends on the type of veneers used and how well they are maintained. While traditional veneers require irreversible changes to the teeth, they can last 10 to 20 years with proper care before needing replacement. 1. Are veneers permanent or temporary? Traditional porcelain veneers are permanent because they require the removal of a thin layer of enamel, which cannot grow back. Composite veneers are semi-permanent, lasting 5 to 7 years and may not require as much enamel removal. No prep veneers, lumineers, are less invasive and can sometimes be removed, but they still have long-term effects on teeth. 2. Do veneers last forever? No, veneers do not last forever and will eventually need replacement due to wear, staining, or damage. Porcelain veneers last 10 to 20 years with good care. Composite veneers last 5 to 7 years before needing touch-ups or replacement. Lumineers last 10 to 15 years, but results may not be as durable as porcelain veneers. 3. Why are traditional veneers considered permanent? Tooth enamel is removed, usually 0.3 to 0.7 millimeters, to create space for the veneers. Once enamel is removed, it cannot regenerate, making veneers a lifetime commitment. If veneers are removed, the teeth may feel sensitive and unprotected, requiring either replacement veneers or dental bonding. 4. Can veneers be removed? Traditional veneers cannot be removed without replacing them because the underlying teeth are permanently altered. Lumineers and no-prep veneers can sometimes be removed, but they may still leave slight changes to the teeth. 5. How long do veneers last? The lifespan of veneers depends on material, lifestyle, and oral hygiene. Porcelain veneers, 10 to 20 years, strongest and most durable. Composite veneers, 5 to 7 years, more prone to staining and chipping. Lumineers, 10 to 15 years, but they may not be as strong as porcelain. 6. What can shorten the lifespan of veneers? Grinding teeth, bruxism, can wear them down. Chewing hard foods or ice can cause cracks or damage. Poor oral hygiene may lead to decay around the veneers. Smoking and excessive coffee wine consumption can cause staining, especially on composite veneers. 7. How to make veneers. Last longer. Maintain good oral hygiene, brushing and flossing daily. Avoid biting hard objects like ice, pens, or hard candy. Wear a night guard if you grind your teeth. Visit your dentist regularly to check for wear or damage. Veneers are a permanent cosmetic procedure because they involve irreversible enamel removal. While they don't last forever, they can last 10 to 20 years or more with proper care. If you're considering veneers, it's important to understand that once you get them, you will always need them or an alternative dental solution.